photosynthesis. That is what we'll be talking about in the next few days or weeks. Today we're going to talk about plant structure. Now the plants are the main actors in the process of photosynthesis. Now let's see what these plants are made up of. Before we see what these plants are made up of, let's see what makes an organism a plant. Firstly, plants are eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic organisms. When we say an organism is eukaryotic, that means the organism has a nucleus enclosed in a membrane. A nucleus enclosed in a membrane. So that means there is something surrounding the materials inside the nucleus. They have cells that contain organelles with membranes. These are what we call eukaryotic organisms. The second thing is that plants have more than one cell in their structure. So when you take a plant, it is made up of thousands of cells. Therefore, we say plants are multicellular. Plant cells contain green pigments called chlorophyll in an organelle called chloroplast. When we say an organelle, these are the structures in a cell that perform specific functions. Here we see the vacuole. It performs a specific function. We see the nucleus. It performs a specific function. We also have the cytoplasm and other structures in the cell. Now there is one that contains the green pigments. We see one here. It contains the green pigments. These green pigments are called chlorophyll, and that structure that contains the green pigment is called a chloroplast. Point 4. Plant cells have cell walls made up of cellulose. Now their outermost structure, the outermost structure of their cells is a certain structure we call the cell wall. This cell wall is made up of a special material called cellulose. The last point, plants are autotrophic. Auto means self. Plants produce their own food. Their food is produced by themselves in a process called photosynthesis.